Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are going to paint this beautiful forest and fog. I'll be using acrylic paints for that. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So first I'm going to paint the trees that are far away and I'm going to paint them smaller. In this way I will develop the sense of depth and distance in my artwork. I'm using liner brush to make these trees. Hold the brush as you hold your pencil and just move your hand freely from left to right or right to left and you will get the shape of this pine tree. I'm just using the tip of the brush. So if you are struggling with painting the pine tree, do give this trick a try and let me know if this was helpful or not. I found this trick very easy and helpful to make the pine trees. Now I'm going to repeat the same procedure for all the trees here. So enjoy the painting. Now to create the foggy effect in the painting, I am going to take some white acrylic color and I am going to use a sponge to create this foggy effect. Move your hand in circular motion and you will create the fog. Just remember to move your hand freely and in circular motion. Don't push the sponge hard on the canvas. And now I am going to mix some sap green and I am going to create another fog effect. Here I am done with the first layer of fog. As we move forward, we will make slightly bigger size of pine tree as compared to the trees that are far behind. This trick will create depth in the painting. This technique will also create distance among the trees. I am using the same procedure, I am using the same liner brush and I am using just the tip of it. Move your hand freely by using just the tip of the brush and you will get the pine tree. Procedure is the same for all the pine trees, so enjoy the paint. Now again I am going to create the fog by using the sponge. Now I'm going to paint some bigger trees. As we are moving forward, so the color of the trees will also become darker as compared to the trees that are behind them. So here I have mixed a little bit of black and sap green to make the trees darker. Again, the procedure is the same for all the pine trees, so you may enjoy the painting. It's okay if the trees overlap. This will create a dense effect in the forest. Here the ratio of the color is almost 60% black and 40% sap green to make the trees more darker as they are in the front and bigger of course. Here I am doing the last tree of my painting. It's bigger and darker as compared to the trees that are behind it. Now I'm covering the edges. This is the only thing that I don't like to do in painting, but we have to do it, so I'm covering the edges here. Finally, I'm done with my painting. Now I'm going to do my signature on the bottom right corner. Now the painting is fully ready. Hope you like this video. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. I am new to YouTube, so you can support me by subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Do check out my other videos on my channel as well. I will come up with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.